Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Third and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, not in today's newspaper of Friday, November the 24th, 2023. Told you earlier there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Thursday edition, November the 23rd, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles. The letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 0 stars. So one puzzle is left now. I believe the Jigsaw Sudoku, yeah, the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7505. 7505. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. But it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. This one is always a 1. Do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here duo box, there duo box. Well, I do not know in which order the 1 and the 2. So let me mark those 2 boxes here also. I need more information. Yeah, insufficient information right now. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only one triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. The 1 is already given, so the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5, but it can be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. And the first shape is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, yeah, here another one. Upside down. Well, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. It's a 3 here. Oh, overlook this quarter box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Well, this box can be a 3. And that box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, other numbers could be everywhere. My next shape, figure, structure, or construction, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. It's the same figure or shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. With only one shape of the Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Rotate it. The L shape. Where you see the L shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to make. Oh, no. We have another L shape. Yeah. So this one is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have all the L shapes. And do we have more shapes, figures, structures, or constructions? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. Well. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so 3 goes there. Alright. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box will be a 2, and this box will be a 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Here also 1 or a 2 can be a 2 because we have a 2 here. So it should be a 1. It's connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this new box for no 2. And these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 to 5, we have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 5, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see another 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. This box is connected with that box should be so 2 and the 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. This box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, in the L-shaped area should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left as a pair, 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this L shape should be there, and the 4 goes here. And this box is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes and there. Let me see. Yeah. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Told you earlier, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, so have a great and fantastic Friday. It's a weekend.